Hello, my name is Elea and I am the creator of Nourishing, a project for mindful nutrition and real food, without judgments, where we learn how to nourish ourselves and our families in a world of conflicting messages. No strict rules here, just information, calm and the freedom to discover what works for you and move little by little towards your best version. This week, when I went to the butcher, I couldn't believe my luck. They had dry-aged, grass-fed T-bone steak, so I couldn't resist. It's a very satiating cut because it has a lot of fat. So I'm going to keep it simple and just add a salad on the side. And I say just because growing up in Spain, we always, every single day, have a salad on the table as a starter, so it doesn't really count as a part of the meal. And I know now why, because it's very good to help supporting the digestion and also prepares your body to absorb better the nutrients of the main dish. So let's prepare this easy but very delicious dish. Start by heating up your pan or griddle. Once it's hot, add a spoon of ghee or clarified butter. Place the steak on the pan and sprinkle with a bit of salt. Let it cook for about 3 to 3.5 minutes. Then flip it and cook for another 3 minutes. This will give you a medium doneness, which is how I like it, but adjusted to your preference. Once cooked, serve on a plate and add a bit more salt on top. For the salad, wash and chop lettuce, tomato, cucumber and carrot. Dress it with extra virgin olive oil, apple cider vinegar and salt. And that's it. Simple, nourishing and really satisfying. Enjoy and thank you for being here. See you in the next video.